Hi, my name is Kate and I completed the QQI Level 5 Horticulture programme with the Donegal ETB. After completing the course, I went on to secure employment in the community sector, where I have since been delivering gardening, horticulture and environmental projects. I so enjoyed doing this course. The variety of modules covered, from soil and plant science to propagation techniques to fruit and vegetable production, it gave a really balanced approach to the skills and the knowledge that are needed to start a career in horticulture. And the hands-on practical experience that I gained both on campus and as part of my work experience gave me the confidence to go out and get started on my own. I gained valuable skills and know-how to design and develop my own vegetable garden here behind me, with an orchard and a polytunnel where I produce food both for myself and my family, but I also use it as a facility, as a base resource for the work that I now carry out in the community. I'd highly recommend this course to anyone wanting to either work in the horticulture sector directly, or to use as a stepping stone to higher education in the field, or simply to gain a great foundation in gardening and essential skills in food production.